So we'll continue doing the questions. So eighth question, cos 2 beta equals to cos a plus c by cos a minus c. So in this question they gave one more information that they are asking you to know which one it is, tan a, tan b, tan c are in AP or GP or HP. AP means all those things. If A, B, C are, same question, A, B, C are going to be in AP means 2b equals to a plus c should come, or b square is supposed to be ac. HP means 2 by b should be equals to 1 by a plus 1 by c. So all these things you need to check whether it is coming or not. So we'll try to get a relation between them, then we will see whether our answer is in the form of AP or GP or HP. So what is cos 2 beta formula? Cos 2 beta means, cos 2b means we have one formula 1 minus tan square b divided by 1 plus tan square b, and they also gave cos a plus c, and also we will expand that cos a cos c minus sin a sin c divided by cos a cos c plus sin a sin c. So if you divide the numerator and denominator by cos A cos C means you get 1 minus tan A tan C. How? Divide numerator and denominator by cos A cos C to make your first term as one coefficient 1. Okay, so tan A tan C by 1 by tan A, by 1 plus tan A into tan C you will have. Okay, left hand side is 1 minus tan square B by 1 plus tan square B. When you cross multiply 1 minus tan square B into 1 plus tan A tan C equals to 1 plus tan square B equal to 1 minus tan A tan C. So when you multiply this inside, you will get 1 plus tan A tan C minus tan square B minus tan A tan square B tan C. Right side will be one same thing, 1 minus tan A tan C minus tan square B minus tan A tan square B tan C. Can you understand? So in both the sides if you check, you will be having 1 plus 1 minus 1, so they both will get, plus 1 plus 1 on both the sides, that will get cancelled. And if you see, tan square B will be there, tan square B will be there, that also cancel. Okay, this term actually, this will come in positive, so it will not get cancelled. All the others will get cancelled. Here tan A B tan square BC and same thing cancel. This term positive, oh, this term will not cancel. Okay, so these two only will get cancelled. So retained one is tan A tan C minus tan square B equals to tan square B minus tan A tan C. Move tan A tan C to the other side, it will become plus. You move this tan square B to the right hand side. So 2 times tan square B equals to, will get 2 times tan A tan C. So 2 and 2 cancel. You are having tan square B equals to tan A tan C. If you check, if this is your tan A tan B tan C in GP means then only you will get A, B, C means B square equals to AC format it is. So obviously all the three are in GP. So next question. Ninth one, A plus B plus C, it is in triangle, it seems triangle or whatever, they both all of them add up to 180. So A plus B equal to 180 minus C. So you check what and all will be there. What is sine of A plus B? Sine 180 minus C. So this will be sine C only. Okay, so anywhere if you have cos C, or if you want to write cos C also, you can write what is cos C. What is cos of A plus B na? Cos of 180 minus C. Okay, so 180 minus C is what? Minus cos C. So with all these things, if we start sin 2A, sin 2B minus 2 sin C. For first two, if you apply transformation formula, you will get 2 times sine of their addition. 2a plus 2b divided by 2, if you do, the 2 to cancel, a plus b will be there, into cos of a minus b minus what you have, 2 sine 2c, that we can write like 2 sine c cos c. Okay, so now first one, by this formula sin A plus B means sin C, we can change this as 2 times sin C cos of A minus B. Here also sin C cos C. So can I take sin C common? 2 also. 2 sin C common out means you will have cos of A minus B minus you will have cos C. So now by this one, cos C means cos of A plus C. You have minus cos C. So directly you can write with plus. So 2 times sin C cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. This is very known formula only. So 2 times sin C into 2 times cos A and cos B. So what you will have, 2 into 2 4 cos A cos B sin C. 2 cos A cos B sin C. I think option 2. Okay, so no, not option 2, option 3. Option 2 is sin B. Here cos B is coming. So next one, similar question, but everything here is add ups to 90. So A plus B plus C add ups to 90 means what else we can say? A plus B equal to 90 minus 3. So what is sin A plus B? Sin of 90 minus C. So sin t minus C is cos C. So you can replace like this. What is cos of A plus B? Cos 90 minus C. What is cos 90 minus C? Sin C. Okay. So we'll apply the formula now. First one, when we begin, sin square A plus sin square B sin square C. We'll take any two and we'll apply the formula. But when you want to apply the formula, both of them are sin square sin square. Let me convert any one of them to 1 minus cos square B sin square C. So it is nothing but 1 minus of cos square B minus sin square A. Why means I took the minus sign outside. Okay. So 1 minus cos square A minus sin square, cos square B minus sin square A is cos of B plus A into cos of A minus B. Then this sin square C is there. Okay. So when we continue now from here, you will have that sine square is the 1 minus 1 plus sine square is there. So 1 plus sine square, can we apply any formula? So in between, if you use that formula cos a plus b and a minus b, you can put 1 minus this entire thing. You can write cos of a plus b means this you can write sin c. So this entire thing into sin c into cos a minus b plus sin square c. So 1 minus sin c, and then from there if you take common out now, you will have sin c minus cos a minus b. So from the given, sin c is nothing but cos a plus 1 minus sin c times cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So now you apply the transformation formula. This into sin c times minus 2 sin of, add these two and divide by 2, that is a plus b plus a minus b by 2 into sin of subtraction a plus b minus a plus b divided by 2. So you will have 1 minus sin c into minus 2 times sin a sin b. So overall it will come sin square. Here you will take positive only common out, then only middle of them you will get plus, sorry, minus. So this is 1 plus, here will be 2, 1 minus 2 sin a sin b sin c, that's all. Okay, so this is your option A. So next one, similar question, similar type question only. Cos 2a, cos 2b and cos 2c is given. A plus b plus c is equals to 180. So a plus b equals to 180 minus c. So sometimes c is there means pi minus a plus b also we will use. Okay, so cos 2a and cos 2b, if you add and do, you will get 2 times cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c plus 1. So from this you can write that cos a plus b means 180 minus c. So 2 times cos 180 minus c into cos of a minus b. Remaining things you can have as it is, or you can do cos 2 cos square formula also. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. So you can write 2 cos square c for the last. These two will be converted like this. This one is 180 minus c. So this 180 minus c can be written as minus 2 cos c dot cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c. So from everything if you take 2 cos c, you will get cos a minus b minus, because we are taking minus common out, 2 also went out, you get cos c. Cos c means minus 2 cos c cos of a plus b minus cos of this, you can write pi minus of a plus b, I told. So cos of pi minus, it will become plus minus 2 cos c cos of a plus b plus cos of a plus b. No, a minus b. This one minus, this also a minus b. Here also a minus b is there. This one plus. Okay, so minus 2 times cos c into, if you use formula, 2 cos a cos b. So minus into minus, minus into plus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So this is in the option for everything in cos, option 3. Okay, so 12th one they gave a b c and find each of the values, and you will get to know what is there. Mostly first one, find what is the value of a equals to cos 20 cos 40 cos 80 I'll consider into cos 60 separate. Why? Because this 40 and 80 I can rewrite like cos 20 cos 60 minus 20 cos 60 plus 20, this one separate. And we know that when there is a cos theta plus cos of 60 minus theta cos of 60 plus theta, we can write 1 by 4 times cos 3 theta. Here instead of theta you have 20 degrees. So your step will be converted as 1 by 4 times cos 3 into 20, and this last term will come as it is. So nothing but 1 by 4 into cos 30 into cos 60 into cos 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Finally you will get a value 1 by 16. Okay, similarly we are going to do for c value. Okay, c, why? Because c means c you can easily find by direct values, because 36 72 and all very easy, 18 also will be easy. So let me find c. C is cos 36 cos 72 cos 108 cos 144. So 36 and cos 36, 72 can be written as sin 18. This also cos of 90 plus 18. This will also be cos of 90 plus 54. So cos 36 sin 18. This is minus of sin 18 minus of sin 54. So overall minus into minus plus it will come sin square 18 cos 36 sin 54. Sin 54 also you will write like cos only, cos 36 sin square 18 cos square 36. So what is sin 18? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 the whole square. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 the whole square. If you solve the numerator now, or you can take that whole square common. Okay, so it will be 4 into 4 root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. So a plus b, a minus b na 5 minus 1 divided by 4 into 4 whole square. So 4 by 4 into 4 whole square, 4 and 4 cancel, 1 by 4 whole square, 1 by 16. By this I can say a is also 1 by 16, b also 1 by 16. Sorry, a and c are 1 by 16. Now only one option that is suitable for a and c are equal. Okay, so one last question. Okay, so not one last question, two more questions. Okay, so 13th one. So 13th one, cos 2 it's given and answers are all fully given in tan. So we have a formula to relate tan and cos. Tan square is equals to, we all know cos 2 alpha equals to cos 2 alpha theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This everyone knows. But in terms of tan square equal to sin square by cos square, multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos square means 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So when I have it in terms of, so left hand side I have it in terms of alpha. So let me guess what is tan square alpha. 1 minus cos 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. So this will substitute the value. What is your cos 2 alpha from the question? From question it is nothing but 1 minus 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 by 3 minus cos 2 beta divided by 1 plus 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 by 3 minus cos 2 beta. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, 3 minus 2 cos 2 beta minus 3 cos 2 beta minus 1 divided by denominator will get cancelled. 3 minus cos 2 beta plus will be there. 2 cos 2 beta minus 1. Okay, actually here bracket will be there. So minus of minus, numerator will become 3 minus 2 cos beta, this one minus 3 times cos beta plus 1, here it will be 3 minus 1 2 cos beta plus 3 cos 2 beta. So nothing but 4 minus 4 times cos 2 beta divided by 2 plus 2 times cos 2 beta. So when you take from the numerator 2 common out, you will get 1, not 2, you will take 4 itself common out. 1 minus cos 2 beta by, take 2 common out, 1 plus cos 2 beta. So now only we have this formula, right? Beginning 1 minus cos 2 alpha means it will be tan square. So since it is in beta, you will get 2 times tan square beta equals to tan square alpha. So taking square root on both sides, tan alpha equals to root 2 times tan beta. So it is in option 2. Okay, now one last question. Find the least value of x such that tan of x plus 100 and x plus 50 and into tan x is there. So what I'll do now, I'll send that tan of x plus 100 divided by tan x minus 50 this side. So tan of x plus 50 into tan x this side itself. So what will be happen if you write tan as sine by cos, sine x plus 100 divided by cos of x plus 100 into this one sine of x minus 50. In numerator you will get cos of x minus 50. So this one will be sine x plus 50 divided by cos x plus 50 into sine x by cos x. So numerator, if you apply that formula, transformation formula, you will get 1 by 2 times, and denominator also you will get 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 cancel. Sine of addition of both the angles. If you add x plus x, you will get 2x. 100 and minus 50 if you do, overall 50 only you will get. Plus sine of, when you subtract x and x cancel. 100 minus of minus 50 means you will get 150 divided by same thing you will get in subtraction. So sine of 2x plus 5 minus sine 150 here. Here you apply the formula sin x sin a into sin b na cos of, if you add subtract both of them you will get cos 50 minus, now you add both of them you will get 2x plus 50 divided by cos of 50 plus cos of 2x plus 50. Okay, so now you know that this one is in the form of componendo and dividendo. So this says me that sine 2x plus 50 divided by sine 150 will be equals to, we'll take in minus, okay, minus, if you take common out, minus of 50 by cos 2x plus 50. Why you took minus common out now? Then only you will have that component dividend rule equal. Okay. So next step. Okay. Cross multiply. Sin 2x plus 50 into cos 2x plus 50 is equals to minus cos 50 into sin 150. Okay, so this term when you give it to other side you will have sin of 2x plus cos of 2x plus 50 into cos of 2x plus 50. This term when you move it to this side you will be having sin plus sin 150 into cos 50. What is sin 150? Sin 150 is nothing but 90 plus 60 or 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30 means sin 30 only. So its value is 1 by 2 times cos 50. So if you take LCM, 2 times sin of 2x plus 50 cos of 2x plus 50 plus cos 50 equals to, actually by 2 will be there, that goes to other side, it will become 0. This is of the form 2 sin a cos a. So we can write sin 2a, sin 2a formula. Okay, so if you write in that sin of 2 times 2x plus 50 plus cos 50 equals to 0. So what is this? Cos sin of 4x plus 100 plus cos 50 equals to 0. Okay. So this we can write like 90 plus 10 sin of 4x times 90 plus 10 cos of 50. So this is cos of 4x plus 10 cos of 50. So cos 4x plus 10 is there, again 50 is there. So we can write that as 2x plus 30 cos 2x plus 30 into cos 2x minus 20 if you take. If you do again the transformation formula, you will get 4x plus 10 and 4x minus cos of 50. So this either any one of them supposed to be equal to 0. So your cos x value will be equals to 30 or 55. Can you understand? So the smallest value is x value 30 degrees. So if you didn't understand this, how you get 30 and 55 now, when will your cos value will become 0? When it becomes 90. So your cos 2x plus 30 is supposed to be 90. Sorry, cos 90. So that entire angle is supposed to be 90. So 2x equal to 90 minus 30, x equals to 60 by 2, x value 30. Similarly, you can equate with 270 or same thing also 90 also you can 90 itself you can use 2x minus 20 you can equate with 90. So 2x will become 110, x value will become 55. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.